Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's understand today's leetCode daily challenge problem. So the problem states that you are given two string s1 and s2 and you need to return true if s2 contains a permutation of s1 or false otherwise. So in other words, like you need to return true if one s1 permutation is a substring of s2. So let's see let's see the problem with an example. So here s1, so you will given two string s1 and s2. Let's say eitp. Yeah. So you can see that s1 is ab and s2 is aidb or something like that. So you need to return that if all permutation of s1, if any permutation of s1 is a substring of s2, then you need to return the true, otherwise you need to return the false. So what is the permutation of ab permutation, like ab or ba? So you can see that ba is present in the string s2, so that's why it will return the true. Let's suppose in case of ba, here if it is eidb, then let's say o, then a. In that case there is no substring ab or ba in that string, so in that case you need to return the false. I hope you are able to understand the problem. Now let's dive into the solution, how we can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, at first let's try with quick observation. So if you want to think that if I am able to get the all permutation of s1, then check with every permutation of that s2. Check every permutation whether this permutation string is a substring of s2 or not. That will also like brute force a solution, but it will give you the time limit exceeded, because if there is a n length of s1 is n, in that case there is a n factorial permutation you can consider, and that will give you time limit exceeded, because the n value is approximately 10 to the power 4. So now how can we solve this problem with a better approach? So whenever let's see with an example and try to analyze the approach. So if you take an example, let's say CAB, and this is S1 and S2 is EIDBACPO. So here you can see that CAB. So what will do, I will create a hash table for that. So the frequency of C is 1 and A is 1 and B is 1. This is the frequency. So at any point in time, if I get the frequency of these three elements, we'll then iterate the s2, and if at any point or any index, if I get the frequency of this these three as same, then that case we will return true, otherwise we will return the false. So we'll start with I, and here we can see that we are at that first position, we are getting E, but E is not E is not our you can see that E is not present in that first frequency array. If this is the first frequency array, you can consider, and you can see the first frequency array E is not present there, so we will not add the frequency. Then we need to take two pointer, because we need to check that this substring or this substring. So we will start with I here and J here as well. So at the first position we'll put the frequency of jth character, that's means 0th character, in the string. So E is 1, but we can see that E is not present in that first string, first array. So what we'll do, I will just delete that frequency. As it is ith character, we just delete the frequency of ith character and increase the I plus 1. Then we will come again I here. In that case we can see that I is also, at first we will add this so increase array I frequency is also count as a 1, but we can again see that I is not is present in that array. So I will check that whether this is the like second frequency array you can consider. So if the second frequency of second frequency of any this certain character is greater than the first frequency of same character, in that case what will need to, while this condition is continuous to, we need to remove that character, right? Because this is not the part of the string you can consider. So we just need to remove that. We just, in that case, we just decrement the frequency 2 of that character with minus, and increment the I plus 1. It will continue until we get this condition becomes false. So we again come B here. We can see that now at that position I is here and J is in the B. So we will increase the frequency of B as a 1. So we will get B as a 1. Then we can, this condition will false. This condition will satisfy. So we will again increment the J. So we will increment the 8th count as a 1. This condition also again it is false. So we will come again here and C here. So in that case we are also C is increment the C character count as a 1. And at that time, like before we moving to the this while loop, before that we need to check if this first frequency array is equals to the second frequency array or not. If it is equal, then we just need to return the 2, and it will give you the correct answer. Otherwise you need to just do it iterating the all the string of s2, and finally whenever you reach that end of the loop, then that case the we will as we are returning the 2, if we are not getting the 2 value before that, so after ending the for loop we just return the false. So this is a kind of sliding algorithm. Here you need to consider the 2 pointer I and J, and I is the like current pointer, and J is the from that pointer only. And here I is the like you can say that first, and J is the ending. So the substring of I comma J should be the should give you that. If it is true, then the substring of I comma J would give you the string, that is BAC, and BAC is a permutation of CAB. That's why it will return you the 2 answer. It will return the 2 value. I hope you are able to understand the solution. And if you like the solution, please subscribe my channel. I will post everyday leetCode daily challenge and Geek for Geeks problem of the day solution here. So please subscribe it. I will write down the Java solution in the comment section. So please check it out. Thank you.